Hi, and welcome to Heart of the Woods Hypnotherapy. If this is your first time here, welcome. So glad to have you. This recording is to help you get started to experience hypnosis for yourself. Please only listen when you can relax safely and have no distractions. You can sit comfortably or lie down, whatever feels easiest right now. There's no goal and nothing to get right. If your mind wanders, that's normal. Just gently return to listening when you notice. When you're ready, allow your attention to rest and we'll begin. Wonderful job. Now, begin by noticing where your body is supported, the surface beneath you, the places where your weight is already being held. Notice your breathing, coming in and moving out. If your thoughts are already active, that's okay. For now, they can just exist in the background, like sounds in another room. Let them fade. As you continue breathing, gently bring your attention to your shoulders. Just notice if you're holding anything in your shoulders that they don't need to hold right now. And allow them to soften, to let go. In the face, jaw, the muscles around the eyes. Hypnotherapy isn't about losing control. It's about allowing your attention to settle in a way that feels natural, to go inward. You're still aware, still present, simply more comfortable inside your own experience. Imagine for a moment that your mind has been carrying a lot: plans, concerns, noises, unfinished loops. Just imagine setting all of that down beside you for now. It'll still be there later if you need it. For this time, you're allowed to rest. Notice the rhythm of the breath, the steadiness. With each exhale, imagine releasing just a bit, and a bit more, and a bit more. Many people find that in this relaxed state, the body begins to feel heavier or lighter or simply calmer. Whatever you notice is fine. There is no right way to experience this. This gentle, focused state is something your mind already knows how to do. It already knows how to access. You move in and out of it naturally when you're listening to music or walking, when you're absorbed in something familiar. This session is simply reminding your system how to return here. And over time, the state becomes easier to recognize, easier to enter, easier to carry into daily life. This is a place to pause, to breathe, to allow. There's nothing you need to do or no one you need to be, no expectations. As long as you're breathing, you're doing everything absolutely perfectly. And I wonder if you can allow a wave of relaxation to travel from the top of your head all the way through the body, down into the earth. Going deeper and deeper. 5. Even deeper now. You're doing so well. 4. Really letting go all the way down. 3, 2, and 1. Drifting and floating in relaxation. You are calm. You are in control. You are safe. Allow the breath to be a tool that you can access anytime you need. Allowing the nervous system to settle with each intentional, deep, full breath in and each breath out. Wonderful job. Letting that relaxation travel once again from the top of your head like a wave through the body, down into the earth. Wonderful job. In a moment, we'll begin to gently return. Just start by noticing the room again. The temperature of the air, the surface beneath you. Good. Bring a little movement back into the hands or feet if that feels right. And when you're ready, allow your eyes to open, bringing with you a sense of calm, steadiness, and ease. You can return to this state anytime. This channel is here whenever you need it. Have a wonderful day.